Segment Shmone Nikud Achat Nikud He. Hishmati et am ninve et kol divrei kodsho. Hishmati et am ninve et kol divrei kodsho. In this segment, you'll learn how to craft a resume, particularly focusing on leadership achievements. Imagine that you've been asked the question, what experience have you accumulated in leading the members of a team to achieve the team's goals? Through this activity, you'll formulate an answer to that question. In the process, you might reply, I caused members of my team to, and then finish it with whatever achievement you coached them towards. We call this sort of statement a causative expression. I caused the members of my team to achieve something. You are the subject doing the causing. The team members are the object, which you are exhorting or helping to achieve a particular accomplishment. You may have noticed that among the he feel verbs we find some that are well suited for causative expressions. At the same time, we want to remind ourselves, as commented in the footnote, not all he feel binyan verbs are causative. Now, to respond with an answer, I caused the members of my team to do something, we're going to need a form of the verb that will express past tense. Consequently, we'll have recourse to the katal conjugation. That's one of the ways to express this. We will not be employing the infinitive or participles, even though we've met those already in the he feel binyan. The statement that we'll be formulating will be first person, I caused. In the he feel, the katal conjugation, the first person common singular, the I formulations are marked by a T suffix, tav, hirik, yod. This T suffix is the same suffix that we've seen in other binyanim, such as kal or nifal, when we've been formulating the first person common singular for the katal, the past tense conjugation. Let's read over a collection of he feel verbs to get a sense of how the first common singular in the katal conjugation is formulated. In this table, you'll find the shoresh on the far right. The next column to the left presents something we've already seen, the infinitive construct preceded by the preposition le. The center column presents the masculine singular participles, and to the left of that, feminine singular participles. And finally, on the far left, the target form for this segment, first common singular, in the katal, a finite conjugation. So for the shoresh karav, we find hikravti, which would mean I caused something to draw near. For shalach, hishlachti. This means I threw something or other. As we proceed through the remainder of these first common singular forms, you'll notice that some have been marked by an asterisk. This is simply to alert you to those verbs whose meaning will be expressly causative. Consequently, these may be among the best candidates for you to draw from when you go about formulating your response to the question in this segment, what experience have you accumulated in leading the members or causing the members of a team to achieve the team's goals? Proceeding then with the verb forms, beginning with yatsa in the far left column, hotseti, hoshati, higadti, hitzalti, hiketi, he'eleti, hishmati, heveti, hashivoti. This model may give you some ideas for how to respond to the inquiry. We're identifying the inquiry as hadavar, hadavar means the word, literally, or the event, or the matter or issue, and in some contexts it's used to identify a question. Me asita le'amcha b'malkach. Me asita le'amcha b'malkach. Feminine form. Me asit le'amech b'malkech. Me asit le'amech b'malkech. Hama'aneh signals the response. He'eleti otam el rosh hahar. He'eleti otam el rosh hahar.